Hello friends, hope you are all fine. In today's video, I shall be speaking about a great example of sportsmanship, the spirit of Olympic, and a very glorious moment for humanity. A life lesson comes from Italy's Gianmarco Tamberi and Qatar's Muttassem Barshim. When they were face to face in the men's high jump final event at the Tokyo Olympics, both had reached the finals after passing several stages of the game and defeating the rest of the athletes. Now, it was to be decided here whether Qatar would get the gold medal or Italy. High jump started. Both Barshim and Tamberi jumped 2.37 meters. Both were on equal footing. Now, how to decide? Officials said that both jump 3 more times each. Then whose performance will be better will become the winner. Both of them jumped again, but this time too, neither of them could go beyond 2.37 meters. This time too, both were on equal footing. Now, they were once again asked to make a high jump. However, Tamberi was injured during the previous jump. He was injured. He withdrew from the final after failing to make an additional jump due to his injury. This means that Barshim had a golden opportunity to win the gold, because once he jumped, he would win gold. But Barshim did not do so. He let go of this golden opportunity. He saw Tamberi's injury and the tears in his eyes and requested the officials if they could share the gold medal. The gold medal was awarded to both of them. Thus, Barshim wrote history. He gave the message to the world that no medal, no victory in the world is bigger than humanity, kindness, compassion, and empathy. There is nothing more uplifting and inspiring as seeing a person helping a vanquished opponent. The greatest attribute a human can possess is humanity. A human without humanity is no less than a body without a soul. Humanity has the power to change the world. Humanity is something where human thinks beyond, not just for himself, but for others also, be it towards another human, or an animal, or towards Mother Nature. It beautifies things around us. Having humanity is like having a childlike heart that is selfless, pure, and kind. It doesn't require someone to move mountains, but a little act of care, kindness, and compassion can make wonders. Is it so easy to give up the chance of winning a gold medal in the most prestigious games of the world? While it will be recorded forever in history that this medal is shared between Barshim and Tamberi, it may be impossible for some, but not for those for whom humanity is bigger than gold medal. It was this empathy, compassion, and humanity that inspired Barshim to make a choice which was beyond winning or losing. It was a choice which did not require someone to lose so that the other could win. And it was a choice to celebrate a shared victory than to have an individual victory. Empathy is the most powerful force in this universe. It has the power to defeat indifference, intolerance, and injustice. Empathy has the ability to replace judgment with acceptance, because it can resolve the distinction between age, ethnicity, or gender. It helps us to embrace the rich diversity of humanity by treating everyone as equals. It benefits both those who receive it and those who share it. Every person on this planet desires it, and every human being deserves it. The sole purpose of life should not only be to focus on our individual success, but it should also be on what we can do so that others can also become successful. These two high jumpers have shown the world to have high values of humanity. Humanity can help us in all our social interaction by understanding others and by being sensitive to their needs. We will also understand ourselves more, which in turn will lead to greater success in our personal and professional life. It will help us forge better friendship and relationship, and basically it will make our world a much better and fulfilling place to be. A single act of compassion, kindness and empathy can change a person's life forever. Albert Einstein said, "Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding." 44th US President Barack Obama has said, "The biggest deficit that we have in our society and in the world right now is an empathy deficit." We are in great need of people being able to stand in somebody else's shoes and see the world through their eyes. In today's uncertain political climate and the many stresses that come with pandemic, it is more important now than ever before to use compassion every day. Feeding a roadside human or an animal, assisting an old to cross the road, speaking kind words with everyone we meet, helping anyone in need, being sympathetic and a non-judgmental listener to someone can go a long way to bring a smile and happiness in people's life. At some point, the COVID-19 pandemic will be over and life will get back to normal. But what will be remembered is how we respond during this time of crisis. This is the best time to truly support and help people by expressing empathy through empowering others. This is the time to go far beyond our line of duty to express kindness and compassion, as we have never needed it more than we do now. As soon as we will understand the importance of humanity in our day-to-day life, the purpose for which we are on this earth will be automatically fulfilled. Hope you liked this video. Do share this video with others also, so that together we can help in spreading the message of love, kindness and compassion in the world. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.